Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then welcome to my channel for the very first time. Be sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and also turn on your post notifications so that you guys can stay up to date with all my uploads. As of right now, I don't have a set schedule as to when I'm uploading, but I do try to upload at least once a week. So on this channel, you're basically going to see me making press-ons in literally every video, unless it's something special like a haul or a vlog or something like that. But even then, there's going to be nail content regardless. So if that's your thing, then definitely stick around. I think that my new motto, unless somebody already has this, then I won't be saying it anymore. So you guys let me know. But I'm going to be making pretty nails for pretty girls. Obviously, everybody out here is pretty, and having nails on just makes you feel so much better. At least to me it does. I know whenever I have my nails done, I feel so put together and just so much happier. So pretty nails for pretty girls. If you guys are with that, then be sure to like this video and be sure to drop a heart down below so I know you guys are on board with my mission. Okay, so now that all that's out the way, I am obviously doing a very springy, very summery set. I should stop saying spring because it's most definitely summer at this point. I love this inspiration for this set. I have a lot of bright colors going on, a lot of textures, and of course the hibiscus flowers. Low-key obsessed with them, and they're just so much fun to do. So you guys are going to see me just do all that once I get to that point in the video. Basically, in this part of the video, all I'm doing is laying out all the bases of my colors. So these are going to be the base, like I said, of all of my different styles. I'm going to be using my airbrush, be adding some French tips, and then all that fun stuff. The tips that you see me using here today are from my favorite vendor on Etsy, and their store is called The Attitude Shop. She has literally so many different full and half cover tips to choose from, so I get all of my press-on tips, well, virtually all of my press-on tips from her. She has a website and she also has an Etsy, so be sure to go support her, check her out, and especially if you are a nail artist yourself, I would definitely recommend her. So I'm still getting comfortable making the longer videos. I just feel like in my own head, having done such a long process for some of these nails, I don't necessarily know if people would love to see that process as well. I get kind of bored sometimes when it takes me a long time to do nails, so hopefully you guys are interested in seeing a longer process. This video is roughly 14 minutes or so, but I'm hoping to elongate my videos and maybe even make them like 20, 30, 40 minutes if you're interested in that kind of thing. I know some people like background noise or just to be able to learn some things, just to watch people's processes because it's therapeutic, whatever your reason is. If you guys desire to watch a longer video, I would love to be that person that you can come to watch those kinds of videos. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys just like the roughness and the rawness of my process. So like you just saw how I just wiped off that design and started over. Just every little step that you could think of, I'm going to try my best to include. I just get in my own head and I think like nobody wants to watch that, but I'm sure somebody does. So super grateful for you guys. You guys are all awesome. I've definitely seen a lot of support from you guys in the recent months. We are now at 1,500 subscribers, which is really crazy because that is so many people when you really think about it. Like, that is a lot of people. And I'm really grateful that you guys are here enjoying the content, talking about it to other people, sharing it, rewatching it, all of it. That's so sweet to me. And I just love the comments. I love the sweetness and the kindness that you guys share with me every single day. If you're tapped in with me here, I love that so much and I really appreciate it. But if you guys want to go even further, you can follow me on all my socials as well at Yasmina Nail Co, and that's going to be on Instagram and also on TikTok as well. And then of course, like I mentioned in previous videos, I do sell my press-ons. I make custom orders, and then I also have a catalog to choose from. So if you guys want to purchase a set from yourselves or for somebody that you know, be sure to click the link in the description down below and it'll take you right to my Etsy. I'm still working on my website, and hopefully by the time this video is up, I'll have that link available to you guys as well. It'll be the exact same products. It's just a preference on how you'd rather order, whether it's through Etsy or through my website. In case any of you were wondering, I only use gel polish for all of my sets. I just find it really easy to work with, and it's something I've been doing for the past 3 years. I think it's something that's really great for beginners as well if you're not super well versed in the idea of using poly gel or acrylic even, because I know those can be kind of tricky mediums to work with. So if you're a beginner or novice or however you want to put it, definitely try out gel polish. I do have an Amazon storefront linked in my description as well. All of the links that I'm going to talk about in this video are going to be in my description, so they're there for easy access and you guys don't have to do too much searching. But I have a Amazon storefront, and it's full of different nail products and all the things that I use that help me get these beautiful sets. I will say in the future I do want to start using acrylic. I actually have an acrylic hand and an acrylic set from Amazon as well, and I'm really excited to use it, but I'm also terrified. I got it for Christmas and it's July at this point, so you can do the math. It's been sitting in my box of supplies for a very long time. I'm just kind of nervous to whip it out and start because I don't want to I don't know, I think I have a fear of just being bad at it, and that's normal because I've never tried it. But I don't know if any of you are the same way. I don't like being bad at things and I don't like the process necessarily of having to learn new skills. It can be kind of frustrating for me because I'm definitely a perfectionist. So I'm going to whip that out soon, and I will definitely record it for you guys to watch me as well. We can be as raw and open and vulnerable as possible so that you guys can get a gist and even help me figure out how to better use acrylic. That's one goal of mine that I really hope to have for my channel. I hope to have a good support system and a good community. You guys are all very sweet, and I love the comments that I see you guys post from time to time. So I think that it'd be really nice to just invite more positivity and then create a space where we can all help each other, whether you're a nail tech or an artist yourself, or you just like nails and you want to watch the process and help other people with the knowledge you have. I think it'd be super cool to just have everybody come together and kind of give their tips and advice in a very respectful and kind way so that we can all get better. So like I mentioned earlier, I want you guys to put a heart down below so I can know that you guys are on board with my mission to make pretty nails for pretty girls. But also, leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite nail style is of the summer. There's so many different types of things going on social media and just around the internet. There's these 3D flowers, which are so gorgeous to me, and I don't think they're really going to go out of style anytime soon. There's aura nails, there's vibrant colors, the French tips, literally so much happening. So let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite nail trend that you've seen this summer? So these couple of nails that you see here that I'm using the rhinestone glue on, these were really tough for me because although the design came out very cute, I kept running into the air bubbles inside of the gel, and it kind of just like threw off the vibe for me. I thought this could have been so much better if those air bubbles weren't inside, like you can see there. I just don't really like how that looks, and it kind of, you can see me kind of like poking around at it and trying to pop them, but inside of that gel, they are not going anywhere. Like, they're very much stuck. So let me know if there is a trick or some kind of way I can get rid of them without messing up my entire design. I don't think any set is complete without a little bit of bling, so I'm definitely going to put some charms and some rhinestones on here to complete the look. So I'm going in with my McCart nail glue, and I'm just going to put little rhinestones wherever I see fit, and then also these very cute butterfly charms, which you can also purchase on Amazon. So I'm going to cure those as soon as they're done because I don't want them sliding around. And then I'm going to go in and do the exact same thing on the other hand. I did do a time lapse because, again, I'm just a little worried that nobody wants to see that process all over again. But if you guys are interested in seeing those things, then let me know for sure so I can make better videos for you guys. Also, I just think it's kind of cool how time lapses look and how the process is sped up. I think it's, I don't know, kind of satisfying to watch. On this hand, I did the reverse, and I did the green and the yellow nails in a different order, so I did them the opposite of what I did on the other hand. But once that is all completed, this is what the final result looks like. I think it turned out so fun and so summery. I love this vibe and I can't wait to wear this set. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!